The Worshipful Master leaps tall buildings in a single bound, is more powerful than an Intercity Express, is faster than a speeding bullet, walks on water, gives policy to God. The Senior Warden leaps short buildings with a single bound, is more powerful than a goods train, is just as fast as a speeding bullet, walks on the water if the sea is calm, talks with God. The Junior Warden leaps short buildings with a running start and a favorable wind, is almost as powerful as a goods train, is faster than a speeding air gun pellet, walks on water of a swimming pool, talks with God if special dispensation is given. The Senior Deacon barely clears a garden hut, loses a tug of war with a train, can fire a speeding bullet, swims well, is occasionally addressed by God. The Junior Deacon makes high marks on the wall when trying to leap buildings, is run over by trains, can sometimes handle a gun without inflicting self-injury, doggy paddles, talks with the animals. The inner guard runs into buildings, recognizes trains 2 out of 3 times, is not issued ammunition, can stay afloat with a life vest, talks to walls. The steward falls over doorsteps when trying to enter buildings, says, "Look at the choo-choos," wets himself with a water pistol, plays in mud puddles, mumbles to himself. The secretary lifts buildings and walks under them, kicks trains off the tracks, catches speeding bullets in his mouth and eats them, freezes water with a single glance. He is God.